Hi, this is Punam, your coach with a question, and I'm back with this week's question. Again, this time I'm gonna start with a story. So, when I was small, I considered myself to be a very good friend because I never did anything without my friends. If my friend is not coming to school, I'll also say that I have a stomachache and I'll not go to the school. If my friend is not participating in sports or let's say a competition, I will also not participate. Because hey, if I'll do anything without my friends, that's gonna make me a bad friend, isn't it? I grew up like that, being a good friend. And then one day, I won a 100 rupee note in one of my training sessions from my teacher, Ashlesh Rao. And on the note, he wrote, "Always be the first monkey," and he gave it to me. Something shifted when I saw that. I framed it, I kept it with me, and I followed that advice every day after that. And believe you me, that one message proved to be a life-changing message for me. I stopped conforming to standards. I stopped conforming to things that were acceptable by others, maybe not by me. I stopped following the tradition that my friends were following. Well, they all did very well for themselves in their life, but maybe that wasn't that I wanted. Maybe I wanted something different. So I dared and I took the courage to take a different path. And I think I'm very happy today from where I am. So here's my question for you. Are you conforming or are you ready to be the first monkey? Thank you. Don't forget to share your opinions in the comments. Take care.